Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a good day, because today we're going to be painting Iron Man from Marvel Zombies. This is the hero version, and we gave him a good priming of air, primer, matte gray all over this miniature. This is going to be a super fun and super easy paint job to do. It's easy to follow along. You're going to take some of the metallics from the new Warpaints Fanatics, especially the red one right now, and you're going to slather that all over Iron Man. This is going to be our base coat for this guy. We're going to come back and enhance this later on, but one thing I noticed with this red, it is not the same red that the old gemstone red was for the metallics color, and I kind of wish I had the air paint out to test it at the same time just to see, but it's definitely not as red. It's got more of an orangey tint to it, much lighter as well. It's not as thick as their old metallic paints are, just like the shining silver here too, but this one is really bright. It does a good job on that Stark Industries sign in the back there. And I'm using some uniform gray, and you can see there is a difference between the matte gray and the uniform gray on the rest of the sign here. And very simple paint job again, like super neat. So I wanted to make it more red and less shiny on the red armor, so I put some red tone to dull it down just a little bit, but I did water it down a little bit as well. I didn't want it too thick, so I added a little bit of wash to that and a little bit of water on my brush just to make sure everything was good. Matte black now to do all the leathering on the sign, which is really hard to do when you have trembling hands. And at one point I was like, okay, I'm just gonna take my brush and like go over very slightly over the words, and it actually caught the letters, which is really amazing. Sepia tone for the base. I find the tones that they have are a little bit better this time, and their washes, I should say, and they cover a little bit better. They also go to nooks and crannies really well. Does a good job for the ground here. Now I'm doing like this huge mix on my wet palette of the bright sapphire, the morning mist, and the matte white, and I had the three of them going, and I was mixing them all up and getting the color I wanted, because I wanted to really try and duplicate what was on the artwork, and I think I did a very good job with that. Now, the bright gold for all those golden armor parts on the Iron Man here. This is perfect because it's going to go over the red, and some of the red does come through a little bit, so it kind of gives a glare of the armor on the red, I find, and does a really good job. Hey, and guys, I hope you're enjoying all these videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell as well, so you know when my videos come out. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. Come on, it's free. And there's also the chance of becoming a member. You can hit the join button and you know, support the channel. You can check out Boutique FDB, who now sells Marvel Zombies as well. So if you haven't had a chance, go take a look at their website. If it's updated, I'm pretty sure it is. And or go visit them in store and take a look at their lot of Marvel Zombies. I think they have pretty much everything from the Kickstarter there for you to enjoy and purchase, and then come and watch my videos and paint along. Some dry brush of some gargoyle gray there, and then some gloss varnish on that, and there you go, you have it. It is all done. Just to show you the difference between, I think though he was painted with speed paints over metallic color. I don't remember exactly. But anyways, there's the zombie version and the hero version. Again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos and being here with me. Anyways, I want to thank you again, and we'll see you all in the next one.